I'm Dr. Mamta Garg, professor in English, Government Narmada College, Hoshangabad. Today, I'm going to tell you about Shakespeare's sonnets. As poetry is also one of the papers prescribed for you to study, and Shakespeare is prescribed in the first unit of the syllabus. So, I am going to explain you about Shakespeare's sonnet. So, before I proceed further, I shall tell you about what sonnet is. As you all know, sonnet is a poetic form. There are different forms of poetry, and sonnet is one of the forms of poetry. And as every form has different characteristics, so sonnet also has typical characteristics. And why we call them a sonnet? The reason is that sonnet is considered to be a 14-lined poem. When we talk about Shakespeare's sonnets, his sonnets are written in 14 lines. So, this is the first characteristic of the sonnet form, that they are 14-line poems. Now, Shakespeare has a typical style of writing the sonnets, because sonnet form was first adopted by Petrarch, and Shakespeare introduced his own form of writing sonnets. His sonnet form that differs from Petrarch because of a typical rhyme scheme which he has followed in his sonnets. A, B, C, D, C, D, E, F, E, F, G, G. This has been the pattern which was adopted by Shakespeare in his sonnets writing. When we are talking about the rhyming scheme, at the same time, we have to know about the structure of the sonnet. Every poem has its own structure, and Shakespeare's sonnets, they are divided in 3 quatrains and a couplet. Quatrain, students, you must be knowing. So, quatrain contains 4 lines. So, when we talk about the 3 quatrains in Shakespeare's sonnet, 4-line stanzas succeeded by one another. So, in consecution, 3 stanzas of 4 lines, which are called quatrains. So, after 3 quatrains, there is a couplet. A couplet is 2 lines. So, 2 lines at the end of the poem and 12 lines which are followed by 2 lines at the end. So, that make the 14 lines. So, that's how in total 14 line poems, and that is the structure. And A, B, C, D, C, D, E, F, E, F, G, G. This pattern is followed by Shakespeare in all of his sonnets. He has written total 154 sonnets, and today